So my turkey vultures fly around my bestie brothers, and they send positive energy and reinforcement spiritually. So when you have turkey vultures, spirits that work together, they work together pretty good, because animals are a natural balance, obviously. And then you have the natural elements to go along with it. Thank you, Anubis, for focusing the video in and out. It takes a few to get all the vultures all together, obviously, because they're wild creatures. They do as they choose, but they eventually come over here and help. Hi, buddy. What's up? Hi, my beautiful vulture. Hello. Thank you for protecting my bestie brothers. See, when he flies over, you see him flying over the cop shop right now. He is sending positive energy, positive everything, and you see the rest of the flock going over now too. Thank you, guys. I love you, my beautiful vultures. Thank you. Thank you, Anubis, for protecting all my bestie brothers. That is so badass. Animals do like to work with people and entities together. So when you're a natural source, a natural element, when you already work with animals and you already work with entities, and you're the source, you can put the two together in rituals to help people. So have a good day. So all the time that you see the vultures flying over my videos, they're always helping my bestie brothers. Have a great day.